Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us for this very quick road assessment through downtown Los Angeles, California. Today, we'll take a quick ride down random streets so that you can capture the flavor of downtown Los Angeles and get a feel for how we typically conduct our road assessments. Without further delay, let's get started. Traffic congestion in Los Angeles is especially intense in downtown Los Angeles, where a dense mix of office towers, residential high-rises, entertainment venues, and ongoing construction keeps streets busy from early morning through late evening. Commuters funnel in from multiple freeways, ride-share vehicles circulate constantly, and delivery trucks compete for limited curb space, all contributing to frequent bottlenecks and slow-moving intersections. Amid this bustle, riders traveling through downtown will notice a growing presence of autonomous vehicles operated by Waymo. These distinctive cars, equipped with rooftop sensors and spinning LiDAR units, have become a common sight as the company expands its self-driving ride-hailing service across central Los Angeles. As a result, navigating downtown today means sharing the road not only with traditional traffic, but also with an increasingly visible fleet of high-tech vehicles shaping the future of urban mobility. Also, drivers unfamiliar with downtown Los Angeles, the street markings can feel overwhelming and, at times, confusing. Lanes shift abruptly, turn-only arrows appear with little warning, and faded paint overlaps with newer striping from past traffic reconfigurations. Add in the patchwork of road repairs, dark asphalt rectangles crisscrossing older concrete, and the visual clutter becomes even more pronounced. Across downtown Los Angeles, vehicle skid marks streak through general traffic lanes, bus-only corridors, and bike lanes alike, a testament to the stop-and-go nature of city driving. In downtown Los Angeles especially, crosswalks seem to appear at nearly every intersection, often paired with bright red bus lanes and protected bike lanes that further layer the pavement with symbols, color blocks, and signage. For newcomers, the combination of heavy traffic, constant repairs, and dense street markings can make navigating the area feel like decoding a complex grid painted directly onto the road. Did you know that downtown Los Angeles follows an unusual angled grid that dates back to early Spanish land divisions and 19th century planning? Whereas many of the streets in downtown Los Angeles don't line up neatly with the broader north-south grid used in the rest of Los Angeles. That's why streets like Broadway and Spring cut diagonally across the city blocks, creating unexpected intersections and those distinctive triangular buildings that give downtown its unique urban character. Set against a backdrop of rolling terrain, downtown Los Angeles isn't as flat as many visitors expect. Streets rise and dip around areas like Bunker Hill, creating sudden inclines, layered overpasses, and sweeping views framed by glass towers and historic buildings. The elevation changes can catch drivers off guard, especially when combined with tight turns and busy intersections. Adding to the dynamic atmosphere, it's not uncommon to encounter an occasional protest or public demonstration, particularly near Los Angeles City Hall. As the civic heart of Los Angeles, City Hall frequently serves as a gathering point for rallies and marches, briefly reshaping traffic patterns and adding another layer of energy to an already vibrant downtown streetscape.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip channel.